In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this viral text animation that you've been seeing everywhere using After Effects. And at the end, I'm gonna show you how to save it as a preset so you can use it later. Let's get started. Type your text and customize it to your liking. Now expand the layer property. Click this arrow next to animation. Select position. Now click this arrow next to add property. And from here select opacity. Now bring the text down using position and set opacity to 0. Then expand range selector. Create a keyframe on offset of a value of -100. Go 1 second in the timeline and create another keyframe of a 100. Now this what we got. To finish the effect, expand advanced. Set shape to ramp up and ease high to 50% and ease low to 100%. Now let's see what we got. You can adjust the keyframes position for faster or slower animation. And also you can add motion blur to it for nicer animation. This is a character-based animation and you can change it to words and lines. To save it as a preset so you can use it later, select the animation, click animation from top here, click save animation, give it a name and click OK. Now you can find it from here. That's it all for today's video. See you in the next one.